Ingenious Vacuuming by Henkelman. Using smart vacuum solutions to take something away to add a lot of value. This is what drives Henkelman every day. For 30 years, we have been helping customers in hospitality, retail, and non-food worldwide to work as efficiently as possible while preventing food waste. This is how we add value, not only to your customers' businesses, but also to their products and services, and to the world around us. We do this with machines in which we combine state-of-the-art technology with elegant Dutch design, and by constantly developing and refining the ease of use and application of our machines. This guarantees top-quality machines. Together with our service-oriented organization and you, we ensure good advice, support, service, fast delivery times, extended warranty, and food safety. From now on, we will go one step further. From now on, our marketing and communications will no longer just be aimed at you. From now on, we will also focus our communication directly on your customers, the users of our machines. And you, as our dealer, are going to benefit maximally from this. With this new direction also comes a new corporate identity, a new logo, and soon a completely new website. And this is good news, very good news, because from now on, you can count on even more support in your sales activities. But above all, we are going to help you by telling the Henkelman story. A story that informs, inspires, and convinces users of the value that ingenious vacuuming from Henkelman can bring to them, their operations, and the world around them. A story that offers you many chances and opportunities to connect with new and existing customers. A story that tells sound business management goes perfectly with caring for our planet. Meet the new Henkelman, extracting air, adding value.